with Final Boss, and we are doing a playthrough of Startup Panic. So I'm very interested in this game. I don't know why it has continue. I have never played this before, so I'm going to test that out just to see what it's all about. But yeah, I've worked in startups for almost my entire professional career, so this might be extremely stressful. I will definitely call, call out the developers of this. But they gave me a stream key for this, and I couldn't resist. So we're giving it a shot. And I actually literally just wrapped up my startup consulting work for the day. I'm really hoping this doesn't feel like more work. Please don't make me please don't make me build go-to-market strategies. Okay, so no save data is found. Oh, look at how sad those people are. So overall, like the music's pretty peppy. I like the art. I like the kind of, this reminds me a lot of Roller Coaster Tycoon and kind of its style and formatting and these little emojis in terms of emotion on the various characters that are walking around. But let's start a new game. Am I Poppy or am I Yuan? Randomize, please. I'm gonna do Final Boss, boy. Final Boss. And this is Final Boss Destiny. I mean, who wants to stick out? So overall, I like that I can put my name in. I think that's actually more important than people give credit for in a video game because it immediately adds a sense of ownership, right? Like, this is now my company. So I think the fact that they're doing a name intro in the design, I wish I could customize my avatar besides just guy or girl. But, you know, my home base is gonna be, I mean, US West. I wish they had the Bay Area, because if this is really a startup game, there would be the Bay Area, right? It's a little bit, you know, I mean, come on, there's difficulty normal. I mean, should I do hard since I'm just try out normal. We'll see what happens. Ooh, corporate building. Yes. I want those features done by tomorrow morning. Looks like we'll be playing another all-nighter. That's usually my job right there. I'm that guy that walks in and tortures people. Oh, his computer exploded. I quit. Thanks for the follow. Was that today, even? Did I just open this up, or is that old? I saw a follow come in, but that might be... Let me reset my chatbot here. Oh, dang. Oh, it's a little bit funky on the screen. I see the Microsoft Assistant over here. I can adjust the screen, but it'll probably be fine. Hi there, I'm happy to see you. I know you probably recognize me from my previous work, but hey, there's no harm in doing an introduction. James Snip. Alright. So I like that they're kind of calling in the corporate thing, but it doesn't really fit with the startup atmosphere, right? Like, startups are not OG Microsoft. My name is Snip, James Snip. I like the Bond, James Bond. But, my name is James Snip. These fast people are in a big shiny corporate company. They replaced me with a younger, brighter female named Cortana. Wait, it's probably best not to mention her name. Yes, you might get in trouble. I mean, this is kind of fun and cute, but, again, I want to get straight into the story. I'm hoping new startups to see their dreams. Okay, how much do I have to pay you? Okay. Is there in principles that I'll make a penny for my clients, even though coffee every now and then would be great? The game developer stating that I'll provide free service for startups in exchange for a place in the game. Now you have chosen your name for your startup. Again, like, it's a little too meta at the beginning. It's okay to have your characters ignore a line of dialogue. Yeah. Absolutely. Think about how often, you know, we humans in normal conversation talk over each other, interrupt each other, those types of dialogue quirks and stuff. Like, usually on the nose dialogue will be very pert and expected, right? Like, they'll say something, and it's kind of like what we're actually getting here in a lot of ways, where this is dialogue with the express desire to give us exposition. There's no story development, there's no drama, there's no uncertainty. Like, everything is kind of getting spelled out, which is okay in a game, right? But, if I was the game developer, I would be thinking for ways to, how can I communicate the necessities of my game, like these core elements, without having to use expository dialogue. So yes, totally okay. That was a long explanation for that, but yes. You've chosen your name for your startup, but the name will make people use your app. You need to develop a feature to attract people. Click Feature button in the left panel. Creating a new feature. All right, open the Projects menu and select Feature. Project Feature. Choose a feature to develop. Complex features may require more employees. Landing page. Well, I got news for you. Landing pages development costs $600. So, if you're actually a startup person, you should never ever build your own landing pages. You should use one of the many free landing page services out there, because this is going to end up be a consulting stream. But recommended dev time 18 days. Are you kidding me? I would be really, maybe it's like your website homepage. Landing page is a website page where your visitor arrives and learns about your products. Whatever. I think it's just all I have to do. Employees have to do their best work. God, this is going to be pretty probably obnoxious, because I've worked in tech and marketing for my entire professional career. Employees do have their best work when they have high motivation. Okay. Pay attention to the recommended number of employees leads to poor work. Adding them more than recommended leads to longer development time. Interesting. I just will do that. Recommend me. Choose priority for this feature. Oh man, this is kind of cringe. Landing page is okay. I know what a landing page is, but how is this my priority? Output. I mean, on your landing page, you want usability, right? Like, you don't need a lot of tech. Yeah, I don't really care about tech. I want my usability and my aesthetics. 1%. Develop. Company trait. Can I walk around? I'm trying to right click to walk. Oh, I guess I can go to my desk. Oh, so it's just kind of like automatically doing whatever here. Prepping the landing page. So again, like the first employee list. Look at how motivated I am. I have 2 technology. I feel like I'm living in a game. So again, this like meta stuff, I don't know if it's adding very much. I want to relate to these characters rather than be made hyper aware that I'm playing a video game. Cash 3,400, company value 0, and then story of a lot of companies, unfortunately. Market share 0. Okay, final boss, destiny, settings, options. Okay, that's the main menu. Company profile. Let's do this. I guess I can't like do my Crunchbase profile. Employee list. So I don't really know what to do except for wait for my landing page to continue. So I just fast forward. So again, watching project. So the first thing that happens in this game. Testing landing page. What am I doing over there then? Technology 1 out of 10. Income. I wish. That would be amazing if you had $11 per 1,000 users. Maintenance. I wonder what my acquisition, my costs for acquisition are. Oh no. Easy as pie, but then I'm biased. I'm a baker. I could use this site while asleep. So simple, and I need lots of sleep. I'm a baker. I get up early. That feels like so. This is a very dialogue-heavy game, right? Or at least because there's so much text happening on the screen, everything is text in progress bars right now. So whenever you're working with a game like this, where your 2 elements are text in progress bars, the text needs to sing. It needs to really like be reading the level of writing skill of a novel, and this just is not there. Yeah, it's like I'm a baker. I get up early. Like, I think. A lot of these things are relatively weak so far. Gaming company status, social media. I don't know how. Am I making a game company? I thought I was just making whatever I wanted. Okay, so then I've done it. Company trait unlocked. Confirm. Okay. Company traits develop a feature and get points. To redeem for community, you can start redeeming your points by accessing company trait options in the left menu. Okay. Feels a lot like a soft idle game. which is too bad because I want there to be interesting trade-offs besides just progression. Like, I mean, this is a true progression. So it's my office. Go green. It's just a word we throw on to get employees to save electricity. It's a little cringe. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Employees. Pre-loved furniture. Corporate spy. Hire a team for mission impossible to operate a spying tech used by your competitors. Why would I want to do that? What does this build into? Open source software. Feature development cost. I mean, that's actually kind of true. You do use open source stuff if it's, but it's usually pretty crappy. You usually pay in your own time whenever you mess with open source stuff, unless it's a really great. Every business party in town to expand your network. Jeez Louise. Okay, this is just like the optics one, I guess. Ads, get a job ad. So I guess employee for 1 points. So again, these types of little content things, like 1 points, it's singular, and that's not hard. Like I mean, like not hard to change. I'm just gonna do whatever. This pre-loved furniture. I don't have enough traits yet, so I'm gonna exit this now. Okay, spent on a company trait. Reward money. Yes. Made your first feature. It's just a landing page, but it's the front page of your startup. You won't get many users by creating this landing page. Try to make other features as well, so target users will want to come to your website. So it's really more of like a marketing simulator in some ways, but in that case, I would just use HubSpot because it's great, or I would use Marketo because it's very, very complex, but it's less user friendly, but very powerful. You know, this is going to become a tech consulting stream. We'll just do that. One more thing. Do you note that some features will bring more income than others? Always try to develop those features first. Man, if we only knew. Oh, yeah. No joke. Project. Okay, feature. I see. Landing page. Okay, cool. I can click to drag. It looks like I can do technology. What is this thing? Landing page. Recommended stats 2. Well, whatever. It's a landing page. I don't need tech. So I guess these are my stats. What does this say? Recommended. So it doesn't tell me any of these things except if I've already built it. Okay, so I guess that might impact replayability. Recommended sets 2, development cost, whatever, income per one, register. Thoughts about dubstep, birthmark locations, etc. Okay, that's pretty cute. That's funny. Funny little dialogue. I should probably... well, I probably should have expanded the screen. I didn't realize it was going to be super wide screen, but I'll do it another time. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to build my own features. Continue. So for user registration, you want pretty good tech. You want it to be pretty good usability. I don't really care how nice it looks. We'll do like that. So we'll go into like super speed mode here. Build this thing. Trait. Okay, I can't really do anything with my office. Company profile, that doesn't matter. Employees, employee list, just me. So really, you kind of, I mean, that's like a very tough onboarding feature. So one of the things I would say with the gameplay here is there's very, very little to do in the beginning. And like even given the tutorialization, okay, my register's done, my customer register. So again, like that's like it would be customer registration. So like register sounds kind of weird to register and log in, or this would be just login, right? So again, like some of the easier to use than a spoon, everything in the right place and clearly labeled. A 5-year-old could show a 3-year-old how to work it. UX now. I thought she was a baker. I guess she is a baker. She's really, this is my, UX now is my one, you know, is my one super friend. Guess who? Andrew. I'm great. I'm working for the big company, Inc. now. That's great. Congratulations. What can I do for you? My company needs a system analyst. I remember you were the best analyst in the class. Should I sell out? I'm going to sell out, see if they let me. I'm interested, count me in. Great, send me your CV. Congratulations, you worked in the big company. You now work in the, sometimes you wonder if you chose the right decision. Okay, so it bumps you out of the game. Well, I sold out. I left my startup. That option feels kind of weird in terms of a dialogue option where there's no gameplay follow-up to that. Like, it's just like, okay, you're back to the menu. Start a new game, cancel. So I'm going to go continue, I guess. Maybe it'll get me from the last checkpoint. Okay, yeah. So it gets me from the last checkpoint. Refuse. Sorry, man. I'm just beginning running a startup, really. Do you know only 5% survived the first 4 years? It's 3%, but who's counting? Wow, I'm kind of catty. You know you'll work longer hours than most people, right? Not to mention you have a responsibility. Are you suicidal? Don't forget, I'll have a crappier salary too, but creating a startup is something I want to do. I like freedom and the culture it brings. Again, so this burned to ash is kind of what I'm talking about with this very, very on-the-nose dialogue, right? Like someone is saying one thing, the other is saying an immediate direct response that is exactly addressing the like people just don't talk like that, right? Like they're running over each other, they're getting frustrated with each other, they have subtext, there's just, and part of this is tutorialization, but this is an interaction between two characters, so I would count this as a flaw in some of the game writing, in the fact that this does not have much depth, right? Like, so I see best of luck. Like, it's not very subtextual. Like we he's calling him dumb, right? Like, so he's motivation 86. Ooh, I got my motivation tanked for that. That sucks. I'm gonna pause it by bringing up a menu. But yeah, he literally spelled out, "You're being stupid for joining a startup. Are you crazy? Are you suicidal?" The subtextual way to do that is like you want to add some subtlety. Like, oh, like, I can't think of something off the top of my head, but like it could be, say anything is like, Joe jumped off a bridge and after his startup went under. What are you gonna do? Like, that's like a little dark, but again, like that is implying that you will go the same route as Joe, and it's not going to be quite as explicit, right? So even small tweaks like that will make the dialogue much stronger. So far, the dialogue's a little weak, and then likewise with the all the text, right? Like, this is really just a game of text. It's a game of text and progress bars and a little bit of like cutesy animation. Whoa, why is there a creepy person in the freaking mirror? I want to read a book. How do I do that? I want to actually control my character, so I guess it's just I just get to watch my avatar do things. Also, I'm not working on anything. Okay, so I need a project. Give me a feature. Build something, you slug. Alright. Text ad is a form of marketing communication that advertisers use to promote their product. But what's my product? Voice call, video call. What is my product? What is my product? I want to decide. Game marketplace. What? Create status. You should never build your own video software, by the way, folks. Would not recommend. Can I build something over here? Sticker shop. So what is my product? That's driving me insane. What is my product? I mean, the thing is, all these notes are general enough. All these little nodes are general enough where I can probably just build whatever, right? Technology has a flag on it. This is down. Okay, I don't know how to improve that. I don't know how to improve that. So I think the tutorialization, so the UI in UX is somewhat weak, right? Like, it's, the sidebar menus are fine, but it has a lot of irrelevant options, right? Like, these, instead of being grayed out, just should not be here. Or this should just be, my project, my employees, my office. I mean, some of this is pretty clear. This is fine. Like, I don't know if you need this clippy tutorial at all. Maybe I misspoke. I don't think you need the clip tutorial. I do want to know what my product is. I'm getting a little frustrated that I can't even text ad is a form of marketing. Most likely banners next to cat pictures. Advertisers pay for spit. Yeah, I mean, so some of like the order of operations aren't, I want to know what my product is. And I want to invest in that's the thing that's interesting to me, is the product development cycle of like, how am I building a new product? How am I thinking about that? I mean, maybe I'm a different player than most, but that feels like a little bit of a Less favorable option. Okay, so my text ads. Aesthetics needs to be big on your ads. Usability pretty high, and technology, because I'm just low on tech, I guess. I'll just increase that up here. There we go. Why did that even... Sure. I don't know. Alright, zoom me through the progress bar. Trait. Oh, I have to unlock some traits, right? Mass hypnotize. Use hypnotherapy to lower their salary to help the company finances? What the frick? That's pretty aggressive for my very first upgrade. Training membership. Use your silver credit card to get discounts for employee training. Training cost 10%. Cost 2. Employee training... It doesn't really matter, though, at the early stage. Research, develop, R&D cost. I probably should do my R&D stuff. Even though it's, like, really grim. Like, starting... My first point in development is spying? I thought I was getting away from the evil corporation. This feels a little odd that I will... I have 4 users. Cool. That's fun. I like this metric. I like seeing my big metrics up here. That feels really interesting. I don't have enough. Okay, yeah, it's fine. I don't know. I don't know really how many of those points I have. I think I just have the 2. I want to be able to interact, so I want to be able to click to interact on stuff in this room. It's the center of the screen. So if this is really just text and progress bars, it probably should be designed a little bit more like an idle game, right? Where, like, you know, you have this more built out, easy as pie, but I'm biased. I'm a baker. Girl, we know you're a baker. Could you use the site while asleep? It's so simple. I need a lot of sleep. I'm a baker. I get up early. We got you. You're a baker. You have to pay the monthly bill. You will be charged $200 a month. How about I start? I see you created a text ads feature. Grapes out. Hopefully some money will start coming in. Only have a few users coming to websites. You need to work contract work. Yeah, that's the truth. That part's true. You do have to hustle to complete. You'll compete with a high score. When clients are satisfied with your work, your company rating goes up. This will attract better clients. Team's morale will follow suit. Contract work option is the quickest way to get cash before a startup is mature enough. Just make sure you pay attention to this job description. Find a contract work project. Okay. Complete. Minimalist t-shirt design. Am I a marketer or am I an engineer? Rec stats 5. Recommended employee. Rec stats. I have no idea what my recommended stats are. 5? Is that good? I have no idea what that means. I would like, so one thing, if I was the game designers on this, I would use color coding. Let me see. So, right, you're asking me as a developer to look among these numbers and have an estimate or an understanding of what they will do, what it will accomplish, right? So, what does that actually mean, right? Like, is my reward for days the factors I'm trying to look at? Like, so should reward be yellow but days be green? And then this maybe will have a green reward, but this would be a yellow days because it's a little longer. I'm not really certain of the trade-offs. Now, looking for someone. So again, I'm just gonna take this job. Recommend me. Oh my god, I have to do this again. So it's gonna be all aesthetic, right? There's no technology in a t-shirt, and if it docks me for that, I will laugh. It's a t-shirt. What technology do I need to do? Create 4 features for your startup. Okay, so let me go to, like, feature. Let me do this on the side. Ooh, I got a 10 on that one. Why is that a 1.1? What the frick? Oh, that's my technology. Oh, I did really bad on technology there. I don't know how to adjust that, but... Yeah, that's kind of irksome, right? Like, there's like these usability scores, there's these different scores I'm getting, but I have no idea if I just have to play through this game again to get it right. Recommend me. So I guess I have to wait for my t-shirt to be done. Monthly balance minus $100. I'll just say it. Working with you has been incredible. So I have to kind of like guess. This is kind of a weird mini game in terms of like I have to kind of guess what the developer wants me to do. And I don't know why it said why do I have 5,000 cash and $100? I guess that's my monthly my monthly pipeline. So I'm just gonna do some more contract work, I guess, and just like soak up some money. 2 stars, 2 stars. Oh, I see. So there's a star rating, but is that like does that mean that I should not take the 1-star jobs, or is that they're just I have to be like really good at it? So why would I not take the 3-star job? I'm just gonna do that because it seems better. 17 days, min score of 4. So I have to hit rec stats 4, min score of 4. I guess I don't know what stats I have. These maybe M. This is interesting. I'm really actually fascinated by this design because it definitely has some pros and it has some cons. Okay, so what am I? HTML. So I need some good tech. Not really for HTML, but maybe they're gonna call that. So I have to like read the description. So this is really text and progress bars. This game's mechanics. Aesthetic for HTML. I'm just gonna equal it all out. I'll put 0.7. Let's develop it. Let's go. We're doing it. We're doing it. Work harder. My motivations on my own startup's going down. I don't know how to fix that. I only have 3 users. No! Not like this. Okay, so I see. So these are my months, and then this is my monthly cash flow on the bottom right. It's a little challenging. Okay, so I did okay. Now hurry, you're gonna be late for the Mensa Club. I guess that means they're happy? I mean, I could make more money being a contractor, but I'll try to build my startup, sure. I'll build the profile page next. Recommend me. Okay, the visible display of the person associated. Social security among the other basic favorite names for ska bands. I mean, this is all cute. Perfume preferences. I like the favorite name for a ska band. That's a funny line. But again, that content is really buried, right? And these could be really interesting. Like, so why is cost red, rec stats 2? Like, is this color coding going to change depending on my stats? Like, I just don't know. Continue. Oh, recommend me. Okay. Oh, I see. I have to get the output to 1 on all of these, right? No. What? I'm so confused. What are they trying to get me to do here? Okay, so I'm doing a profile page. So your profile page kind of has to look okay. It has to be really freaking usable and has good tech. Develop it. Okay. I mean, it feels like I just get rewarded for kind of going 30-30-30 in this regard. So how am I still developing this feature when I'm looking at my fish tank? I really do, while I'm waiting for this progress bar, I either want it to go faster or I want to... There should be like a fast forward button, right? Because this should just be like skip to the next completed thing. Because the fact that I'm having to kind of like sit and chew my nails, income per 1,000 users. You got more buttons than a shirt factory. I'm currently lost in the sub menu. Think about calling emergency to get me out. Oh, excuse you. She doesn't know what she's talking about. She's a baker. Just kidding. She does. All your customers know. Okay, so this one we got in trouble for it. Profile page theme. I don't really care about that. Add friends. That's important. I'm just going to build a bunch of stuff for my startup. So technology, baseline. We want really good usability and really good aesthetics. Go. I don't know. We'll see what this is. So again, there should be a button here that says like skip to your next ready moment. Oh shoot, I should be adding some of my company things. So again, like I kind of want these notifications like my traits. I should be unlocking traits. I forgot about that. Training membership, training costs. I don't have any training expenses. Training duration 5. That doesn't matter at all. Employee salary. That doesn't matter at all. Future development costs. Contract work reward. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do this. Current bonus. What's this mean? Okay, research development cost minus 20. Furniture cost. Office rent. Okay, I see. Do I have enough? No, I don't. How many of these points do I have? Where do I see my bank? Where do I see my bank of points? I don't even know. That's kind of crazy. I can't even see my bank of trait points. Where is it? Oh, current point 0. There it is. I wonder if that could have a little UI box around it, or if it could be set down here. I was looking up here in my top bar, so there maybe could even be another UI element added next to this timeline when you're in this menu, right? Because I've been getting trained to look at this top bar for all of my core stats, that information. And so the fact that that's not showing up in that top layer is a little like, it's just going to be a little tougher. All right, so implementation, add friend. Then I'm going to go hustle up some contract work. So this person, it's 3 stars? No, I only want 3 stars and up. I want the best contract work they use. Rec stats 4. I have no idea what that, rec stats 5. Ooh. I have no idea what the rec stats means. So like a lot of these like funny terminologies, like that's what you need the tutorialization for. So I'm just going to go with a 3-star one, I guess, because she pays me 3 Gs and I don't have to have as many rec stats. I'm still on a job. Ugh. Whatever. I gotta wait for the progress bar. Alright, somebody liked it. Where's my review? Load it up. It works just long enough for it to crash. And it tries to shave 2 seconds off its previous crash time. Dang, BitBite. Freaking savage, dude. Savage. Well, I guess I'm giving feedback to this game. So, you know what? If I can't take a little bit of feedback, you know, if I can't take a little feedback, then you know what? I should not be giving it. If you can't dish it out, I'm going to build comments. I guess I got to really invest in the tech. How much money do I have? 8 Gs. So I'm just going to build a bunch of stuff for my startup. I'm going to go more technology, usability, and a little bit of aesthetics. There we go. That looks good. How do I get more of those? Whoa, look at those stats. Users have really started joining your website. Oh, 270. Go me. You've done a great job. I never thought you'd make it. Well, thanks a lot, freaking... You never thought I'd make it. Yeah, thank you. That's I like that. I like that. I like that they actually respond to like the implication. Hush, it's not important. The important thing is keeping users. Getting users to come and join the site is difficult, but persuading them to keep using your service is exponentially more challenging. That is true. And to retain on your game. What's your day 1 daily actives? What's your daily retention rate? I built a few games as well, so... I would love to see how you grow your startup, but unfortunately I have a date with another assistant. Forgot her. It's Sari or... Okay. The assistant jokes are kind of weird. I don't know why they're... Yeah, it's fine. That creepy thing in the mirror is terrifying. I like the art. Like, the art's really cute and wonderful, but it's not very interactive, right? Like, so this is the most eye-catching thing on your screen, right? This little office is absolutely... Oh, wow, I'm not looking so good, huh? I'm sweating. I guess maybe that means he's working. Is he crying? Motivate. I have no idea how to improve your motivation, so I'm sorry, dude. I have no idea how to improve your motivation. Does it tell you? How do I fix you? I would want to get tooltips over these so I could know how to fix these various things. Itanchi, hello. How's it going, Zap? Rip motivation, huh? Reward training unlocked. Company trait unlocked. Have a monthly balance. Create a landing page. Okay. What happened? Okay, I guess I did a feature. What did they say? I see what you did wrong when you translated a site from Sanskrit to Swahili. You should have taken your blindfold off first. Jeez. Ice cold. You were a baker. You were my baker friend. I thought taller. So again, I have no idea what the inputs I'm putting in and how they matter. And then I'm getting penalized for it. So that's something to really think about. You are demotivated. Sometimes you'll be bad, you fail at contract work, or simply tired of working at your startup, your motivation will decrease. You'll be fresh and new and know that stop working to be more productive. Somewhat ironic, but makes sense. That is true. But not true, actually. I didn't take any time off in my startup, at least the first one. The second one I did, though. I'm not sure about our cash, though. Here, let me pay. Next time you save money for vacation revers and private kidnaps for your employee. What? Pirate? Sure, probably. Life's a mystery, but we never know what happens in the future, right? So again, this James Snip, like this dialogue thing could have been like 2 lines, which is, you're tired. You don't look so good. What do you mean? You know, like he should be offended. This thing is telling him how crappy he looks and how tired. Your vacation is unlocked. I will recharge your energy. Okay, cool. Like the static PNG. Okay, how do I do vacations? There we go. Employees, vacations. It's locked. What are you talking about? Send your employee on a vacation. I'm trying. Is this part of the demo or something? What? Employee list? Oh, I'm still working on something maybe? Is there still a progress bar going up? How do I go on a vacation? Vacation. Oh. So it's on their employee tab? Then what was that other thing? Okay. UI's a little confusing here. Ooh, he's gonna... Well, the freaking Clippy guy is paying for my first vacation, so we're going for an undersea dinner. Peace! Thanks, Clippy. Maybe you're meant to fail at hiccups during the startup process. Oh, man. Definitely feels that way. So what do? I just wait till I'm back on vacation? Can't it just skip? Well, like all mistakes, like I did, I chose to become a virtual before it was cool. What? Do you understand what I'm talking about? If you do, that means you're old. Anyway, the point is we all make mistakes. You made an error in creating a feature, and you can revise it. Finally! Lousy feature means higher maintenance conscious, so if I can revise a feature when it gets a bad score, okay, got it. Okay, thank goodness. How do I... aquatic dining at its best. Great. Great. Got it. Sweet. Final boss. I'm back in the office. Okay, I guess I can... So it's really pissed, so I gotta fix this one. Revision. Recommend me. Oh, interesting. So I might dial down the aesthetic, dial up the tech, and 4, then bump my aesthetic up. Okay, develop. Try that. Get to work! Like the hiccups during the startup process. That's true. That's true. It's hard doing a startup. Like I mentioned, that's kind of been my bread and butter. It's how I keep these lights on over here. So it's interesting. It's a little bit more of a... I like that they're trying to be humorous and fun, but I don't know if all the jokes are landing. And I think that the dialogue is getting slowed down. Poor Smodrum. Oh, that's great. Let's see. Easy as pie. I'm biased. I'm a baker. Yes, we know you're a freaking baker. Postmortem view. I don't need a postmortem. Everyone's happy. I'm gonna revise the one that guy freaking hated. No. I have enough money. I want to revise some more features. I want to get my base stack revision. People were complaining. Recommend me. All right, usability probably can go down a little bit. I guess I need more for. Guess I don't need as much aesthetics. I'm just gonna go straight up equal on this and see what happens. Come on, go faster. Designing feature, add friend. Again, it's a little slow paced. So you have a monthly balance of 200 or more. Oh yeah, I made some revenue this month. Great. Do a postmortem for one of your features. Reward 500. All right, shoot, I'll do a postmortem on a feature. Oh my goodness gracious. Gracious heavens. Okay, so it seems like the one that's like really sucking is the... Dude, I have 5,000 users? That's crazy. There's no way. Friends. Should have just added friends to my website. 5 out of 7. So now they don't like its usability. Bad is not a short word for how awful website is. Bad. Oof, they really like the usability. Okay. So postmortem review. Let's try that. Postmortem one of your features. Okay. Train your employee to increase their attributes. Train your employee. Click on the employee training the lower button on the right. Okay. Employees. Employee list. I got it. Okay, can I see my employee, please? Oh man, I clicked through it too fast. Oh my god, why? Let me train them. I guess he's got to be... Is he free now? Oh, I see. That's so silly that he has to be not working for me to actually be able to, like... I wish I could queue up a list of tasks, but maybe that would just make the game really, really... Reading the art of copy and paste. I mean, that's cute. Watching the 4 P's of marketing. I don't know why that's costing me 2 Gs to watch YouTube videos, but... Like, I don't want to do a training right now, even though I kind of have to. I want to do UI testing. UI is pretty valuable. And then I wait. Train your CEO. Complete 3 successful contract jobs. Okay, I gotta do... Is that more now? Okay, I gotta do some more contracting work when he's back. Where's my CEO? Recommend. I don't have any employees. That's a little annoying. I wish... maybe it's because I'm doing the tutorial. Alright, I got some more chops. Train my CEO. Got some more money. Let's go to my contract work. We're gonna do... So I just did a bunch of UX stuff. UI. So I'm gonna do UI stuff here. Recommend me. Continue. You have assigned... What? Oh, do I need 2 employees? Oh, why did it even show up? That's kind of like... why am I even doing that? I know I'm being super nitpicky about this game. The reason is, this is a beta, and if I can save them fixing some of these features now, I've saved them hours and hours of time. So I'm not trying to just be a knucklehead, I promise. Looking for full stack developer, cross-platform app. Okay, this is going to be big on tech. A little bit of usability and no aesthetics. Maybe a little bit less, and then a little bit more of that. Boom! Hello, do you know who I am? The second part. Sarcasm is not amusing. Well, how am I supposed to know who you are? My name is Johann Alberg. That really didn't help me. Surely. Oh, I've heard of Alberg Industries. Wait, the head of Alberg is named Manfred, not Johann. The head of is Manfred. My father has passed away and I'm his sole heir. The power of Alberg Industries rests in my hands. Why are we competitors? Am I in the same space as Alberg Industries? I meant because of your father's death. Oh yes, tragic. Let you know if your father... So again, one unnecessary point of dialogue was the one just before this one where he says, you don't seem all that broken up about it. We, the readers, already got that from the context. We know. Like, he's like, oh, Dad, whatever, who cares? So that's already implied. And so essentially that's verbal doubling, right? There's a communication that's happened already. The reader understands, okay, this guy's kind of a jerk. He doesn't care that his father passed away. And then we're immediately called attention to it again. So it's giving us just more dialogue and more fluff for something that's already been communicated. So avoiding verbal doubling is a big, big thing in writing, and especially in video game writing, because this is taking up time. This is taking up gameplay. Anyway, I'll let you know that you try to complete with Johanna. You shall surely fail. Thanks for the warning, but I'm not giving up. I'm building friends lists for a website that I don't even know what it does. I don't even know what my website does, but I'm building a freaking friends list, man. I'm doing it. Alright, so I gotta go look at my project, and I probably want to look at the overall score that sucks. So it's probably this comment feature. And I really need to revise that next. So I'm gonna do this, finish this, watch this progress bar go up. What? Ooh! Okay, why would I want a post-mortem review? I kinda... Okay, well... Oh, he snatched my market share. Curse him. Okay, I have no idea what this does. Okay. Unlock market share. Oh, I can do some analysis. Yes, that's probably worth it. Oh, Jeff, do the research. 73 days? Oh my god! Good time to upgrade your office by going to office. Okay. I just need employees. Why would I upgrade my office without employees? Okay, whatever. I'll just do it. Upgrade. Let's go. I wish it was that easy. Upgrading an office sucks. Oh, sweet. Ooh, look at that. I got some employee desk hiring unlocked. You can now start building your dream team. Yay. Hire. Asking friends recommendations. Super way to get a new pie. They seldom top talent, but hey, it's free. Asking your friends recommend. Okay, yeah, got it. Online recruitment become more expensive. Oh, I see. So this is my hiring. We'll just do this. I'll get some middling talent and we'll train them up. Potential employees have a trait that can either benefit or acute stress disorder. Oh my god. I like complicated. Usability skill will always be 0. Ugh. Okay. I wish employees cost 87 a month. Wow. I'm out $400 a month. I've already sold them. Steady feature development routine keeps things on track. Shop unlocked. Okay. I got an employee. I can get a feature. This one I need to revise big time. What's wrong with this one? Usability. It's too technological, so I do not want Finley to do that. Where's my guy? Alright, buy furniture. God bless America. No, I don't need to upgrade my office. I didn't even need to upgrade the other one. Hire. No, I don't want to hire anybody else. Where's my employee list? What are you doing? You're just sad right now. Loan unlocked. Eesh. Oh my god, everything's unlocking at once. I don't think I need a loan just yet. I'm going to do some more of these contract workies. I'm going to put Finley on a bunch of these things. Let's do... Oh man, I got tanked because that guy gave me a bad review. Look at all these crappy jobs. What about this? Okay. Take job. Alright, Finley, you're on it. I'm just gonna do them all equal. I have no idea. Oh, it's still 0? What the F? Oh, well, that's stupid. Competitive analysis. That's what I'm doing. Popular YouTubers have permission to view your website. Accept. Yay. More people are interested. Yay, I made some money. Let's go. John Albert posted a job with alluring benefits. Salary is 5 times what you offer. That happens. Salary matching's tough, guys. Salary matching's tough. Alright. Johan Alberg! Curse you! Really want to revise that freaking feature. Are you done with your user research? No, you're so sad. Well, you're going to have to be a little sadder for a while. Alright, contract done. I have the Brian Gosling of Brains? I guess they were happy? I have no idea what that even means. Where's like the super technical logo, t-shirts, design? Where's the technical? Minimalist t-shirt design, HTML developer. So I guess these are all the same for the most part. So I just get more for this one. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to put Finlay on it. So we're just going to do tech aesthetic. I guess no matter what I do in usability, it never goes up. Okay, cool. Sweet. We'll just over-index on those. That seems fine. Dude, when is my freaking competitive analysis going to be done? 5.8. A masterpiece of work. So again, the fact that I just got 2 of the same responses, like the 3-star review back to back, is pretty weak, right? So essentially, I can kind of get that, like, string 1 is technology. I'm really smart. It looks like it's been photoshopped. Usability really low. A masterpiece of work. Aesthetics really high. So it's kind of annoying that I got an employee that just like hamstrings you like that as my first employee. We're like, okay, I guess I can't do. Alright, Oria. Couch potato. Quite lazy, especially if the holiday notifications finish later. Doesn't even know how to walk straight. What? No, I don't want you. Alright, Theo, you seem like completely standard and good, so I'm gonna go with Theo here. Contract work. Design a logo for a brand. Take job. Theo, you're on it. I'm the boss. I thought I chose Theo. Continue. It's going to need no to little technology. It's going to need a whole lot of usability and even more aesthetics. Go, Theo. Go. Make me money. So I'm just becoming a contractor, essentially. Dude, when is my freaking competitive analysis going to be done so I can fix my freaking website? God, ain't that the truth. Competitive analysis should not take like 2 quarters. I don't know how long this guy's working on it. Big name singer now. She's a big fan of your product. Many people, others hate it. Heck yeah. All publicity is good publicity. Has backfired. That's fine. More publicity is good. Albert can just finish something special. That makes me feel inadequate. Ooh. Dude, these make no sense. I made a t-shirt or logo for... It was outstanding that tomorrow Athlon Dusk will send you an invite to become part of the Reptilians. Great. What the F does that even mean? My guess is that this was probably developed offshore and potentially needs some localization support. I do editing, so feel free to let me know if you need some support on your game narrative. Game narrative could use a lot of work here, I would say. And that's the thing, like, the narrative has to be huge because... Oh, I guess my comments are good now. Wait, that's a technology score. I see. So, okay, revision. No, the final boss. I need the final boss. Maybe Theo can do it. Theo's pretty good. Continue. Okay, this is the current one. Technology is way too high, so you just kind of have to guess. Usability is really bad. I'm going to over-index on usability, up-index a little bit. I'm going to up-index a little bit on this and develop it now. I kind of like that you can tweak it and go back and guess, but it's a little bit of a headache to have to just like guess the number without having clear indications of if I want to be good at this game, I want to be able to read a set of clues and guess the number really accurately. Your research failed because of what? Oh my god. Oh my god. Sure, see you later, dude. Wow, and it failed? That's so dumb. It should give me a warning for that or something. This motivation management sucks. Load it up. It works just long enough for it to crash. He's pissed. This guy's still pissed. Wow, they really want you to like nail a certain number, I guess. Aspire Startups Vision, famous programming car invited. Detail. Okay. She's really expensive though. You know what? Screw it. I'm bringing on Kara. Screw it. Theo, you better start doing contract work so that we can... New website, need some changes, static HTML. Okay, Theo, you're on it. Okay, so now that I have more than one employee, it's a little bit better. Develop, go. Group vacation, no more lonely traveling. Oh. Alberg Industries, group vacation. Everyone's pretty motivated except for El Final Boss, so, and Theo. Theo's pretty sad right now. Alright. Max motivation. Okay, cool. Good job, Jeff. Now get back to your freaking work. Alright, e-commerce theme redesign. Take job. Let's go. Ooh, she has some pretty good stats. So that's that I see now. Interesting. Rec stats 11. How frig. So I really need to like crush this. This is the redesign my website theme. Let's do simple, Angular, and JSS. Okay, so if you say it's simple, I'm gonna believe you. And usability doesn't matter quite as much as aesthetics. So we're gonna step ladder it here. Good luck. I hope I get paid. We'll see. I'll go for a little bit longer on this stream. It's what time is it now? 11:56. Came to visit. Everyone seems inspired. Oh, please God, increase my motivation. Well, your job was awful. It was no more than that. Damn. I kind of get it. It's just like, do I want to read all these things and you'll finally earn your dad's approval? Well, you got a 3-star review. Well, you know what? Good job. I'm gonna send freaking. Okay, where's my employee list? So, Theo, you gotta go on a vacation, my man. You gonna go fishing? No. You're gonna go as motivation plus 40 for 14. God, it's so expensive. All right, you're going fishing. No, I got a shit ton of money, a crap ton of money. Excuse me, I shouldn't be swearing. Sorry. He's at 53, so I need to get you on this one here. Let's see, employee list. Kara, your motivation's kind of crap. Final boss, you're pissing me off, man. Alright, so this feature sucks still. And all of the things. Sucks in everything. Revise this feature. I'm going to put my Rockstar and Elf Final Boss on it. Continue. So I need to put... Oh, wait. So it'll be like... I'm putting 2 employees on it. So that this doesn't suck. Okay. I think I put 2 employees on it, right? I don't know. We're going to find out. Did I put 2 employees working on development? Okay, so they're both working on it. My product research my market research never got done. I tried to freaking do it, which ticks me off. Let me just get someone. So it seems like I have to have someone with really high recommended stats 3. Finley, you're on it. Go. You're on the research. You're on the comp analysis, Finley. Posted job with learning benefits. Okay. That's fine. I don't mind not getting top talent. Theo, you saw the dinos. I was prey. I like that. That's cute. Like, the art is really great. I think the art's fantastic. And the thing is, there's such an engaging, eye-catching little world here. I want this menu to at least also be available on the map. Like, I want to be able to, so I'm glad I can click on the people, but it just brings up the employee menu with that person selected, right? I want to be able to, like, click on a computer and pick a project, and I want to be able to, like, click on the clock, and, you know, like, this board hopefully should pull up my project list. Like, you can still have this sidebar menu, but also include all those options here. Albert just finished developing timeline. No! We're behind. This is still under building. I'm getting a good foundation first. How about you, Jude? Yes, sure. Let's go for it. But a glitch from... Okay. Okay. Hope it was a YouTube glitch. Okay! Our feature's great. People freaking love it. Okay, great. So double loading my features is pretty good. Compared, okay, market share, great. Competitive analysis, we did it. Good job, Theo. Okay, cool. So now this is picking up a little bit. I'm glad that there's more things I can do. Profile page theme. Gosh, why is your motivation so bad, final boss? Alright, you need to go on a vacay. We got a lot of cash, so I'm going to do my multi-vacation. How do I do this? Oh, it's here, I think. Group vacation. All you guys. Motivation plus 10. Motivation plus 20? No, we need motivation plus 40, and that's at least giving me some savings. Oh my gosh, is that per person? Ah, whatever. Fine. Then you get left out. As to extended vacation undisclosed reason. Confirm. Yeah, of course. Yeah, why would I not do that? Give people a deal. Choosing furniture. Okay, cool. I'll buy a freaking sweet whiteboard deluxe. Whiteboard deluxe. Oh, geez, I haven't even put up any. Okay, market share. Okay, let's see. Alberg Industries is crushing me. But their stuff sucks. Look at how nice they just have more features, huh? Guess I gotta just like double down on my features, huh? They have upload, post, and time coming. Oh man. I guess I'm building Facebook, huh? Okay, so let's see. Office rent. Do I have any more trains? I have 3 trait points. Contract work penalty down. I like that because I'm pretty bad at contract work. I'm pretty trash at contract work. All right, let's look at my employees. What are you doing? You're on vacation and you're free, Thea. Then why are you just farting around? Fire. Why can't my salary be awful? Why can't it be spent? Why? It's so average. All right, you know what? You're gonna get a raise. Fine. Sure. Enjoy. I'm gonna put you on Theo. You're gonna build my post content. Continue. I don't get it, man. The rec stats 4. Okay, so the rec stats. Okay, hold on. So it sounds like I really need 2 people on it, right? Because like the rec stats, what are those 2, right? So I need to at least get to the number 2 overall. So that's why that punished me, because I couldn't get to 3. So you know what? I'm gonna make Theo train so that he's actually more useful. No. Where's Theo? Theo, you're useful. Go train. Learn something. Reading this book, you're probably better than Google error message. Drunk user testing. Go do that. Asylum haunted house. If you look at the DS, vacation results. I like that. It's a good vacation result. Everyone's stoked. Everyone's so happy. All right, now to put you slugs all to work. Post content. I want Finley and Final Boss on that. And then Kara's going to go do something on her own because she's a freaking boss. Alright, so technology here. Usability here. Post content. Actually, it's not that tough of a build, I don't think. 1.5. 1.7. Okay. Let's do that. It says recommended employee 1, but I don't have an employee that's that skilled, so I don't think I agree with you there. I need to build that out later, so I'm gonna get my homegirl Kara on this. Rec stats 3, so yes, so she's the boss, so she can do this. Profile page theme. Alright, so we at least got the rec stats. Alright, we did it. There we go, 3 output. I kind of understand now. I think you have to try to get to the rec stats. Okay, go. You're not a moron anymore. Good for you, Finley. Alright, now you gotta build me something. Okay, no, you gotta do contract work. Never mind. Because we're running out of money. How dare you? Alright, so you have some... So, oh, I see. Gosh. Okay, I'm understanding now. $2,000 for that. Minimalist t-shirt design. Okay, 2 employees. How do you need 2 employees for a t-shirt design? Come on, guys. Alright, we'll take this job. It's going to be pretty... Theo, you're on it. Continue. There's no technology, I don't think. I'll put a little bit in there. Just so... It's a really technological t-shirt. I mean... The usability probably doesn't need to be that high, right? The aesthetic needs to be up. I think I have to kind of get all these to, like, sum up to a certain value. I don't know. We're just going to do that. Still not really sure exactly how that calculation works, and that's the thing I'm missing to really... Online blog release is a terrible review app. I wonder if they even know how to use it. When you're applying, do nothing. No. It's a bad decision. Yeah, it's absolutely best if you let it go. Let me tell you, you just ignore the people on the internet. No offense, Twitch. Alright, minimalist t-shirt design. Oh, they didn't like how it looked. Alright, well at least he was happy. I'm not really sure. I don't know if that was an overall good thing or a bad thing, but guess what? You're going to do some more contract work, Theo, because we need it. Ooh, that's good money. That's good money. Where's my recommended employee? Recommended stats 4. Logo for mattress. Theo, you're on it. Aesthetic, pump it up. Usability, Technology, Usability probably 1. I want my aesthetic to be over-indexed. Go. Oh, is this entertaining for you all on stream? I don't know. I'll have to work 20 hours a day. People are start to realize Johan's job is not so alluring. Ooh, yeah. People are happier at their job now. That's right. So everyone's a little funky. Theo's working. Everyone's working. That's good. As it should be. Oh yeah, that's what I like. Go profile page. Pity there isn't a catwalk for websites you're to be starting its stuff. That's right, Red Square. Thanks, homie. Frickin' thanks. And then I delete the biggest startup is winning now for chance of winning. Okay. The medium startup. So scores based on how your startup grows. We'll announce the winner. Detail. Mood maker. When this employees the motivation will regenerate faster. Oh, that's good. Oh my gosh. Daisy, you're worth. Join the team, Daisy. It would be an opportunity to showcase. You don't think we have a chance of winning with this current state as possible. Just possible to create a word processor using assembly code. It won't be easy. Great, things really are, but I'm going to be winning this competition. So what should we do to win? Since Leap is a competition, create more features and try to bring as much value as possible. Great, I'm excited. Okay, cool, I hired a new person. Okay, let's build a shopping cart feature, I guess. We'll get my rock stars on it. We'll make the best effing shopping. Actually, no, I probably shouldn't waste both of them on that. It's gonna be the best shopping cart you've ever seen. Recommended stats 3. Okay. All right. I think we're gonna have a kick-ass shopping cart. All right. Let's get my other homie. She's still working on that, I guess. Preparation theme shop. What the frick is a theme shop? Logo for mattress. Whoa, penalty. Oh my god. No! Failed contract work. Theo! I didn't mean it! Okay, Daisy's happy. Theo's kind of pissy. You know, I'm just going to send them on an individual. Like, the group vacations, I don't really get the benefit of that. Theo, you need a little vacay, though, my man. I paid you more, too, you pig. Motivation 20, that's okay, so that's more expensive. 40, I'll just do this. Max you out. Dino Park. You've been loving that Dino Park, Theo. Go to the Dino Park. Okay, that's fine. Go for it, dude. I don't care. Please, you're welcome. I mean, he was already maxed out, but it doesn't matter. Testing post content. I like that feature release. Give me a good, easier to spoon. Everything's fine. 5-year-old could throw. Thanks, UX. Now you're my homie. Might be good to take the development team out for dinner, except, sure, I got enough money. Yeah, look at all the money we're making. Yes, money. Alright, hopefully the dinner improved my base morale. Upload image. Oh my god, that's expensive. Rec stats 4. Continue. I mean, I feel like the upload image needs to have a good amount of tech in it, you know? Call me crazy, but this seems pretty good, right? Maybe I'm wrong and it'll get a bad review. I don't really know exactly. The obvious have hacked your server. The group is on your features. Okay, what do I do? Theme shop. Ah, she's pissed. All right, UX lady. How do I fix the hack? Do I need to fix anything? Okay, yeah, I kind of figured that out already. Okay, this is sucking now. What? Oh, because it got hacked. I see. So I guess it like sets one of your features back. I'll get final boss on it. My motivation's pretty good. Theo's freaking feeling groovy after coming back from his. Alright, what was the current score? Here, hold on. Let's look at this. Technology. So it's just everything's bad. Okay, so I don't know if I just need to like buff it up or something. Theo can kick ass on it. X-Stats 2, right? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get Kara on it. No, not Theo and Kara. That's crazy. Continue. Kara, save us from the hackers. This looks good. Develop, go, win. Alright, let's take a look at my employees. How's motivation? Ooh, Kara needs... Ooh, she's getting stressed. Hang in there, Kara. Hang in there, Finley. I'm gonna give you guys a vacation literally like in a second. Or can I like zap you out in the middle of a project? Okay, that's good. So I can't dump you on a vacation. Okay, so you... I just want you to not suck as much. Doing a lot of design work, so you get good at that. Ooh, I need to get some... I need some contract money! Rexstats 10? Are you crazy? Academic UX designer for consulting firm. E-commerce theme design. Rexstats 10. That's crazy. There's no way. Like, these are too aggro, man. Rexstats 5 for one person. Let's just see. What do we got? Final boss. Could you do it? Okay. You're going to have to step up, buddy. HTML, working in a need for something static HTML site. If the small project done. Alright, sure, go for it. I just need some cash. How's my monthly cash flow? 170 plus a month? Yeah. What? Okay, let's do it. I need the motivations high. Tommy Stark. Develop 10 features. Good. Just my type. He only increased by 1. That's some horse garbage. Who's pissed? You're pissed, Finley? Where is you? Where is you, Finley? Freaking vacation time, my man. You need a big motivation buff. So you're gonna go... Oh my god, it's so expensive. You're gonna go bungee jumping, but good luck. I mean, you also did a bad job on that feature. Okay, this is great. I like this. Continue. Yay! People liked the new feature. Revision. I'll futz with that in a second. I don't know why they hate the upload feature. I think Finley just sucks. I'm just gonna... I don't know what I should put Finley on. He's terrible. Well, your job was awful. No more of that. Sorry. I don't like that it's using the same icons as my people, because I'm not sure, like, what went wrong. I mean, that's some garbage, because I did everything 10 except for, like, some random thing. It's so stupid. I don't really know exactly. He's on vacation. I know I make good money. I'm going to adjust salary, sure. There you go. Okay, give him a freaking raise. Why is it not? I thought I did. Theo, I just spent like $5,000 training you, my man. Okay, you're in a great mood. So we got a lot of people that need to get some work done here. We'll do a big old contract here. Recommend logo for mattress. Take job. Theo, you have logo things. And final boss, you have logo things. Continue. Technology is not probably super necessary. Usability, it's a mattress, so I guess it's pretty important. And accessibility. We're going to do that. I'm going to give a little bit more tech. I don't know if that's important or not. I have no idea how this scale system works. It's completely nonsensical. But we're dealing with it. We're figuring it out. Okay, so this feature sucks. Who would I put on the revision? I'm gonna put. Oh, Daisy's so sad though. I'm gonna put my 2 rock stars on this. Okay, so it didn't need as much tech. It definitely needs more usability. I'm gonna bump this one up way more. Develop. You go! You can do it! Don't give up on the project because you ran out of motivation, please. Hypnotization, employee salary, sure. Mass hypnotize. Employee candidate amount. Okay, I don't have enough things for all this. Okay, doesn't matter. Whoa, there's something behind my whiteboard. That's terrifying. Let me put in some office things. Wow, that's so expensive. Smart glass box. Comfort. Sure. Buy 2 pieces of furniture. Got some money for that. That's worth it. Okay, what's my training stuff? Get 65% market share. That's for my big thing. Win the Leap Award by having 13 features with a maximum score of 7 before year 4, month 8. Okay. I mean, it's kind of cool. It's just like a, little industry management game. Oh my god. Why? I don't know what they want. It's killing me, man. All right, well, we're gonna put my dream team on it here. How many recommended employees? I'm gonna put 3 employees on it because, gosh dang it, the motivation penalties are so high. It just doesn't matter. It's just better to overstaff. The recommended employee number I feel like is absolute hot garbage nonsense, and I would rather just absolutely crush. Yeah, so the balancing doesn't seem clear, nor is it maybe really good. Director of a crime drama. It'll cost money, but it'll be a great opportunity. Sure. Yay, 15k users. I'm getting some monthly MRR. How? How? Previous score 10. It just got worse. Alright, I guess I gotta put like 5 different people on it. Cars ask for a few days off. Yeah, go for it. I don't know why it takes a few days to go to a barbershop. Just saying. Alright, Daisy, you need a vacay, girl. Daisy, you are so sad. You are so sad. Go on a vacation, girl. You're my mood maker. Come on, man. You're going freaking... No, you don't need that. You're going bungee jumping, my friend. You're going bungee jumping. You're bringing up everybody. Yeah. Oh, whoa. Oh, no, I didn't want to confirm. Okay, cool. Okay, so let's get back to some feature builds here. So this, I'm going to revise it freaking again. I don't have enough people for it, so I'm not going to do that yet. This search thing, it needs 2 employees. This needs 2 employees. This needs 2 employees. Okay. I wish I could make a single employee work twice as much, but you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put... recommended employee 1 with 11 stats? You're freaking joking me, dude. This makes no sense. This makes no sense. Okay. I have no idea what these numbers mean and why I should care about them. Recommended stats 7. Oh, it's just going to like tank her motivation. I'm not going to do that. We're just gonna wait. I'm just gonna let her. Can she like do something? Maybe I'll just put her on a freaking car. You're free. Just go vacation, homegirl. Yeah, go fishing. See ya. Yeah, confirm, not refuse. They like switched the refuse and confirm button. So weird. Like the UX switched with that other one. I think maybe I'm just tripping out. All right, you're still not super. You're still pretty happy, Daisy. Work hard, play vacation 10 times. Great. More money. Cash and glory. So these are my 2 things I have to do left. Okay. Testing timeline. So everyone's getting back from vacay, so it's time to fix one of our garbage features. Why is it giving me a exclamation point on this? I'm not giving you contract work. You can suck it. Ah! How? My maintenance is higher than my income on that feature. Sure. Okay, that's so dumb. I have no idea. Like, do I just put my entire effing team on it, or should I be like training people more? I don't know. I'm putting a bunch of people on it. You know what? I'm gonna keep out Finley and Theo. This doesn't fix the feature. I don't know what will. 3262. Okay. So that technology is getting over-indexed. Okay, fine. Okay, no. Usability is like okay. It's the aesthetic that's sucking it right now. 4, try to get 3.5 on that. Okay. Can we try to get the feature right this time, guys and gals? I wish I had some indication. It's just like, it feels like I'm guessing and just playing a slot machine. Alright, I'm going to train some of my people. Can I have any research? No. I don't even know what my training did. I spent a lot of time and money on that and it just went nowhere. Why are you pissed? Frick, man. Go to your dino park. That's the only place Theo goes is to the freaking dino park. See? It switches it. Confirm was on top before. Like, it's just like trying to troll me. That actually is like a UX angering thing. Training, you're gonna learn some things. What are you gonna learn? No matter what you do, you're just gonna be the art of code copy and paste. There you go. You're just gonna become a code god. And now, do I have any free employees right now? What does the intern even do? I'm gonna accept it, sure. I don't even know. Where's my intern? On vacation, working. Okay, everyone's doing things. Just wait. Now I wait. It's fine. I guess I should hire more employees. I'm getting more money coming in, so I should wait until that, like, people realize that they hate him. I might just do some more training, honestly. Training. Art of copy paste. Please God. 6-4. Except, of course, you can go to the barber shop. Alright, I'm just gonna build new features. It seems like doing like upgrades like just does not freaking help at all unless it's like below 5, which that's not too bad. 4901. We're gonna do everybody on this. My entire available team. How's the motivation? Oh, final boss is at 5. Okay, that's not good. I wish you would like alert, you know, instead of like me having to look at like a little emoji feature. No, F off. Let me click on the employees going so fast. Final boss, vacation, my dude. Alright, you go to undersea dinner. Well, if I was at that company, I would be pissed if the CEO went to an undersea dinner and I did not. Alright, Theo's becoming a rock star. I like that. Okay, so now let's build a feature. No, we're gonna build a freaking new feature. Whoops, doesn't get enough money. Oh my god. Contracting. Alright, we're gonna do a big old contracting mamma jamma. Take job. Where's my Finley boy? Let's go. Theo. I'm gonna have to put 3 employees on it because there's no chance in hell that that's actually accurate. It's Ruby Rails and stuff, and then we'll get some aesthetics. You know, we don't want it to be completely garbage. Alright. We'll see. They'll probably be like, this contract sucked, and then they're gonna penalize me. All right, final boss is back. That's good. You can do like a individual contract work if there is any. No, I'm just gonna train final boss. He's dumb. He's like the dumbest CEO. He's like the dumbest person on the team. I wish escape worked to let me go back in the menu because like I don't like clicking on like all the visual UI. I'd like to have some like keyboard shortcuts as well. I'm realizing. Employees, where's final boss? You need to learn things because you're super dumb. You need to learn to code. Employees, employee list. Daisy. Why are you sad? I'm gonna train you. You need to learn your aesthetics. Aesthetic, okay, go. 500 bucks in the bank. Let's go. I think the training matters more than I. Oh, it's a contract. Oh, okay, I got ripped off. What the F? I put every freaking employee on it. Like, that's so stupid. Help raising money for your poor area. Will you help? Local church asks for your help. Yeah, of course. I'm gonna help the local church. You hope. I'll give you good public image. Alright, your motivation got wrecked because everybody's motivation got absolutely freaking pooped on. Oh, that is absolutely infuriating, man. It's just like the contract work is horrible. Alright, motivation plus 10, motivation plus 20, motivation plus 40. You guys are all going to this crazy haunted house and I'm going to be out of money. Alright. Confirm, that's fine. Don't switch it up on me, please. Alright, so we got El Final Boss and the other friend here. So maybe could you guys build a new feature for our freaking... No, we don't have enough money for a new feature. I'm already paying salary. Why do I have to pay more feature? I can do a revision on this, I guess, but it's not going to get better, I freaking promise, because this game is toxic. So 4%. Previous score 3.8. So I had way too much technology in my last one. Okay, fine. Technology 1. Aesthetic. Freaking index that. Usability. Freaking up index. Go. Oh my goodness gracious. Cash and glory. I like that they have a lot of cute little references and stuff. Like, that's fun. Judging for leap results will be announced 4 months from now. Okay, I don't care. I don't think I'm gonna win it. I don't even know what I'm supposed to do for that. What do I have to do? Win the leaps having 13 features, a metric score of 7. Oh yeah, that's not gonna happen. Fortune and glory. Alright guys and gals, time to build. Oh my god, I gotta do contract work and then y'all are gonna hate your life. Alright, so it's pretty much just like for a business directory website. Take job. It's pretty much like who do I want to piss off next? Finley and Theo. I don't care if you guys get pissed. I need Kara pretty happy. Doesn't need that much tech. Needs a whole lot of usability because it's business and not so much like that. Maybe like this usability, this technology, this. Fucking sure. I'm gonna have to send him on a vacation with all the money I earned from it. Probably should just fire them. I probably need some new employees at this point. Of course. Oh, everyone's pissed now. Oh my god. Previous score, so this generally improved. I don't know what they want me to do. This game is starting to really tick me off. It just doesn't, I don't have a, there's no real clarity of what's going on. I have to output that to ELA rec stats, but then you have to like load in like 50 employees into it. Yeah. I think you're right, Burn to Ash. I would say on this game, it is a beta. So granted, a lot of these maybe are beta complaints. Maybe in the alpha, it will evolve into something beautiful and wonderful. But right now, I would say it's pretty rough. The tutorial was really burdensome. It took forever, and it explained the least important parts of the game. The only thing that seems to matter in this game is how I adjust the knobs on my features. It's the only thing that matters. I have no idea. I'm going to try this one last feature. I'm going to put 4 freaking people on it. I'm going to do all of it. I'm going to do it all. Recommend stats 5. Oh, is it to get each of these to 5, I guess? Oh, I see. So each of the outputs needs to be at a 5. Well, then that is crazy, because I need to, like, then that's, like, not a reasonable expectation. So that's okay, though. Good to know. I'll do, this is usability, beep, beep, beep. 4s, and a little glitchy. You know what, we're going to get everything to 4 if we can. Alright, that seems good. We'll try that. I'm going to try that. I'm going to get everything as close to 5. So that's like 80%. That app should get an 80%. I'm going to watch this preparation search go. Monthly balance 212 plus. Okay, that's fine. Where the frick is my intern? What did my intern even do? I just had an intern, I guess. And everyone's miserable. Did somebody leave? Somebody quit? Mother lovers, you can't quit my company. It's perfect. It's fine though, I'm saving some money. I mean, the music's good. Okay, overall review of the game. I'm gonna watch this search bar go up, or this progress bar go up, while I talk about the overall reviews. Music's nice. Art is really nice. The problem is the mechanics and the narrative. The mechanics are obfuscated. The tutorial does not. Explain what's going on, and the really important things about these like weird knobs and what I'm supposed to do with them. Oh, and Finley's about to just give up. Asking a job about Finley's conditions. Give bonus salary. There we go. Oh, he's gonna give up motivation by the time this finishes, and then the feature will get stalled. Or let us do a worse job. I don't know, man. Yeah, so yeah, I don't know. The motivation stuff is super punishing. What's the postmortem review even do? I don't even know where that shows up. Where does the postmortem review? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, so the gameplay is very, very unclear about what I do to win. What do I do to win? I don't know. And maybe that's realistic, because in most startups you don't know, you're just guessing. So, I do respect that. But for a fun game, that's going to be working counter to that. The last thing is the narrative, especially in the tutorial. The dialogue was really funky. A lot of the text boxes, right? Because this game is 2 things. Or 3 things. It's like this visual aesthetic, and then it's progress bars and dialogue and text, right? So if the dialogue and text aren't strong, it will give no meaning to the project bars, or to the progress bars. So that would be my recommendation. Do a dialogue pass. You probably need to do some balancing and some clarity on your gameplay. And then, the music and the aesthetic's great. I would not invest more than that. If you were doing this, if it was this bar right here, I would say your aesthetics at like 90%, 100%. Your usability is at like 10%. And your technology is at like 50%. So there's the rating according to this. I hope this was a helpful review. This is a beta, so obviously I'm giving harsh criticism to hopefully help them. Yeah, sellers sub to the low monthly income. That's fine. But I'm ideally trying to give these developers some insights onto how to improve their game. It's a cool concept. I love the concept in the startup world. I think it's really nicely executed. It has great humor. Sometimes the humor is taking over important communication and meaning. You're trying so hard to be silly that we're not understanding what's going on, and that's a trade-off that should definitely not happen. So in any case, great job on the game. I'm excited to see more what you all do. I know this was a pretty intense review, but again, just trying to hopefully support y'all. Y'all can review my games back and be like, Jeff, there's a lot of stuff you need to work on in your games. Totally valid. You know, I totally, or my writing. You know, we all have stuff to work on as creative professionals. But yeah, overall, I love it. It's a cute little game. It's a lot of fun. I think if you close some of those gaps before the alpha, I might see myself playing this. So looking forward to seeing what y'all come up with in the alpha full release. I mean, and I'll talk soon. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching the stream, folks, and stopping in. I hope this helped inform your game buying decision making.